All right, so let me show you a little bit about the game and the controller. So here we have the game. We're gonna load it up. Now, when you get the controller, games are not included. You're gonna have to download your own games. Some are free, some you do have to purchase, all right? So we're gonna load a map here. But before we load the map, I'm gonna go ahead and show you here. So when you escape, you could choose your controllers too, all right? So let's go and load a map. We already calibrated controller. You have to calibrate it. I recommend you calibrating the controller. All right. Let's go and do free bird and load and play. All right. So here we are. The controllers are very simple. All right. It's just it's exactly like a real thing. All right. So you fly like a real thing, you know. But this is a speed mode. This is for the speed. So if you want to get really good at it, you could do that. And of course, and if you crash, it comes back to the norm. So if you crash them, look at this. So all you got to do is, let me crash it so you guys can see it. So nothing really happens. It's an obstacle course, right? And of course, if you have the goggles, you could change it with the keyboard too. But right now, we're going to do visual. Oh, ooh, look at that. You could do all sorts of maneuvers. You could practice them, all right? Of course. Let me see if I could get a little bit closer. Ooh. Of course, it's best to do it here because if you're spending a lot of money for a drone, and drones do cost a lot of money, I recommend you getting one of these controllers and practicing. Practicing from here is the best thing to do. Then you qualify to maybe, you know, get yourself a intermediate one, and then you go into the pros after. But my recommendation is when you want to learn how to fly something, this is the best way. I mean, I find it simple and very, very convenient to learn. And the controllers are very, very. So my daughter wanted to learn how to drive my drone, but I just didn't want to give her the drone without practicing. So I sat her on my computer and had her, you know, pretty much handle it like if she was going to handle it outdoors, and she was flying it pretty well. I mean, I was very impressed with her, how simple she got it up and running. Now, once I got her to understand the controllers, then we went to the real thing. So this saves you a lot of money and skills to earn. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy these videos.
I'll push it all the way up. Higher.